In this video, I will explain the solution to Leetcode problem 217 contains duplicate. Given an integer array, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array. So we are given an array of integers, and we must simply check if there are duplicates. This input array has duplicates 1 and 1, so true is returned. This array does not have any duplicates, so false is returned. One possible solution would be to traverse the entire array for each element searching for a match, but this would be inefficient and would have a time complexity of O of n squared because we must search the entire array for each element. A more optimized solution would be to use a set. Recall the properties of sets. They are unordered, they have constant time axis, and they don't store duplicates. Since accessing in a set is constant time, we can store each number in the array in the set, and if we come across it again, we return true. Let's look at the example we had earlier. We start off by initializing an empty set S. We then enter a for loop that will check if the number is already in the set. In this case, it's not, so we add 2. And we do the same procedure for 6. It's not in the set, so we add it. 7 is not in the set, so we add it. Then we move to 4, it's not in. 11's not in there. 15 is not in the set. 32 is not in the set. 9, 16 are not in the set. At this point, 6 is in the set because we've already seen it. And since num was already in the set, it means we've seen it, so there's a duplicate and we return true. The time complexity of this algorithm is O of n, since we must go through each element in the list, and the space complexity is also O of n, because in the worst case, we need to make a set that is the same size as the original list, using the same space as our input.